Alright, so I have a Ninja blender that I use mainly for protein shakes every morning. I do like frozen bananas and all my powders and stuff. And I use the big one occasionally if I'm making drinks for friends or something, but generally that's just overkill for me. So let's see here.
Okay guys, I really love this one. Honestly, I never had like a Ninja blender before. I had always those cheaper ones from Walmart, Target, you know, not something serious. But this is way better.
Yalla, yalla.
So I just bought another Ninja blender. I use it almost every single day.
Okay, it's my first time using this. Looking at it, it looks very nice. Put the lid on. You line up the arrows here.